to Surfer Joe show with Chef Frankie. I'm in the shower. No, I'm not taking a shower. Chef Frankie said someone needs a new shower head and we're going to replace it. So if you've never done it, it's very easy. But there's do's and don'ts. One of the biggest don'ts is using a wrench like this. Now this is a professional plumber's wrench. You do not need that to change a shower head. So, what we will show you, I'll set up in the back here. You can use one of these, which is a step down, or one of these. Or maybe you may not need both. What we're first going to do is you always make sure it's safe in the tub. The tub's not wet. You're not going to slide. You're going to have the water shut off. You do not have to shut off the water to the room or the building. Just the water that comes out of the spigot. Let's see. Oh, see, now that's tight. So I'm going to try this one. Oh, that gets it. That's a snug fit. Oh, man, that's a snug fit. The sound you hear is the shower head from the spigot. There you go. Throw that to the back of the tub. You don't need to see the back of the tub because it's right here. Now, you see this is nice and clean. Another reason why you don't use those big pipes, this could be older. Meaning it's very possible to break. So if you use a big one and you make it too tight, you break this, you're in trouble. So, well, Chef Frankie got us a special shower head. Now, I'll be putting the links into you're going to have one of these that comes with your shower head no matter what type you buy. No matter what type you buy. Here, let me drape it over. Now, you can't see it, but you can hear it. You drape it over the shower rod, or rail, what do you have? Standard you usually have one of these. And also, you have one of these. Now, you always want this tape. It's Teflon tape. This kit came with it, but I brought my own just in case. So we're going to try theirs. Okay. Now, what you're going to do when you do the tape, put your finger in here, wrap it around, make sure that's nice and clear. Is you want to start on the edge here. You don't want too much over here because you can block it and clog it. But you start here and we're going to wrap it around it. What this does is makes it a snug fit for the fitting of the shower head. That way it won't leak everywhere. Like I say, I don't know their tape. Mine is professional tape. Not saying this one's not, but it's always good to have your own. Now the tape pretty much stays on there tight by itself. So we just put a little around here. Whoa. Put a little around, maybe. Because if you put too much, it won't fit too well. And just turn it like that. And that's it. It's not a hard thing to do. You don't need to pay somebody hundreds of dollars. Okay. So, you have this part. Now, it's going to fit on here like this. You put the hose, your shower head fits here. Now, with a lot of them, they don't put the washers in for you. You have to do it yourself. It's not hard. There should be instructions. If not, the washer with the screen, you probably won't be able to see that, will fit in here. And all we're going to do is put it in here, give it a nice twist. See, you can feel that's getting a little bit tight. Now, some of these are metal, some of these are plastic. I think this one might be plastic. I'm not sure. So, you don't want to take the chance. Even metal ones could break. Just put this like so. You can see that. Okay? And we're going to take our little wrench, like so, and we're just going to lightly tighten it, hold this back, tighten this up a little bit. You don't want it too tight, like I say, because if it breaks, you're in big trouble. Just keep going. See, now Teflon tape will snug it up. Now, after you do this, and it leaks water out, if it leaks water out, you just gotta do this a little bit, make it snug. Okay. See, that's not hard. All right. Now, this kit Chef Frankie got from Amazon. I say me because we're part of the show. Anyway, it came with another washer and this. Well, that goes up there like that. See, it's threaded. You put the little washer in here like so. Use your fingertips just to push down in there. And Teflon tape. Sure, we'll do Teflon tape. Chef Frankie's over there whispering to me, meow, meow. So we'll put a little Teflon tape here. Doesn't matter if you do it this way or that way, as long as it's on here well. You don't need a lot. Give it a good twist. All right. And where to go? So I set this down in a little water there. Thought I lost the washer, but I put it in the box, and that's what you should do. Okay, see? Chef Frankie's had me very busy. All right, so we're gonna put it on here like so. Put that on there. Right now we're using our fingers. This will come up. In fact, this is the bottom to let you know, but I want you to see, so it's on camera. Tighten this up a little bit, hold the bottom, tighten this up. Don't want it too tight. That's good. Now, if this will not turn around, loosen this a little bit. You see how we do. See how we do, Ooh, no, that's good. That's good. And the other washer. Put that up. Put that in there. And, okay, Chef Frankie, yes. Chef Frankie wants Teflon tape on here too, so we will do that. Sometimes you don't have to, but when Chef Frankie says this is how he wants it done, you do it. It's Chef Frankie's show. Just put a little bit on there. Wow. That just doesn't want to stay on there, Chef. There. Put that down over there because that's where the water comes through. So you can see that the water comes through there, so you want to make sure that that doesn't get blocked at all, or you're not going to have much of a water pressure. Some don't already. All right, then again, slide that up. That goes in there like so. Just like this. Chef Frankie, it's not going to work the stuff on tape, Chef Frankie. Some of them do, some of them won't. So we'll just easily take that off. Got it in the box. Some work with it, some do not. It's on here like so. And if it leaks, we will put Teflon tape on. No. Like so. Just lightly tighten it up. And there we go. Boom. You have a new shower head. It's not hard. You want to be careful. And we will be setting it up. Turn off the lights. Chef Frankie says it's supposed to light up different colors. It's the temperature of the water. We will see. Okay, let me clean up in here because you always want to make sure you have a clean surface and area when you work. I'll shut off the water, get this GoPro, hopefully it will work, and we'll see if it changes color. Be right back. Welcome back to the Surfer Joe Show. We are going to try out this new spigot to see if it actually changes color with the heat. And we shut off this little light. We're going to start with cold water and go to hot. Let me aim this towards the wall. We don't want it all over. Ooh, blue. Now that's nice. Light. That's cold water. Okay, that's cool. Nice little effect. I will be switching it over to hot water. So, little by little, if it changes color at all, I'll turn on some more hot. Still blue. It looks nice, but okay, hot water. Oh, it's green now. Red? Wow. No, I don't know if it's going to go back and forth to different colors. Chef Frankie bought this from Amazon. I will try and find the link and put it in. Wow. Blinking shower head. That's cool. Maybe that means it's too hot. All right. Let me see. Oh, well, it's just blinking red for hot. Okay, maybe if I cool it down, you know, I put on some cold water, we will see if it goes to green at all, or any other colors. Again, it's staying, oh, there we go, green. We'll see if it flashes green. Nice little effect for the shower if you got the lights dimmed. But it doesn't matter if you have this shower head or a different one. It's an easy replacement. We turn down to a little more cool water, cold water. That looks good. Flashing back to blue now. Now, how long will this effect work? I do not know. How does it work? I do not know. But we will put the link, if I can find it, in the video. And you will be able to go on there and buy one or sell one yourself. We are not affiliated with anybody. We are not sponsored by anybody. We'd like to be sponsored by everybody. But here you go, gang. Shower head that changes color, an easy replacement of any shower head. It's like this. You do not have to have a shower head with the chain. You just be a mobile one that sits on there. Same thing. You take off that, make sure the threads are clean, put on some tape, put the shower head on there, snug it up a little bit, and that's it. See, this is why we do this stuff. So a lot of people nowadays do not know how. They go to YouTube. Well, share this with you on YouTube. Share with all your friends. Tell all your friends about us. Tell YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, everybody about the Surfer Joe Show with Chef Frankie. Because turn on some cold water, get some blue. See if it changes blues to blue. Ooh, flashing blue, green. That is cool. That's a cool effect. I'm glad you got that, Chef Frankie. Okay, gang. Thank you very much for tuning in. Please subscribe, like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it. All right. Hope you have a great day, a great year. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you for tuning in.